Hello, welcome to Harmony Life channel. Today we're going to talk about flowers. You might find it strange that we're going to talk about flowers, but think about your favorite flower. And imagine this favorite flower in front of you. Did you notice that not all of the flowers are opening at the same time? The first flowers start opening up, then the next one, then the next one, the next one, the next three. And the first one is already wilting. So when you're working on something, it is probably natural for you to start comparing yourself with someone else. Oh, they already reached this stage. Or they already achieved that. But there is no competition. Life is a journey. Life is not a test. Everyone is different. And that's why life is so beautiful. That's why we're so beautiful. Because we're so different. It's not just the color of our skin or the shade of our skin, the color of our hair or the eyes. It's just inside we're all different. And for one person, something is achieved faster. And for me, it takes longer. For example, I am the martial artist. I do martial arts for the past 16 years, I think. And I started with my child, who is much younger than I am, obviously. And he's already so done working on his masters. It means that he's going to be the fourth dan. And I'm just getting ready, hopefully, if my teacher permits, to do the testing for my third dan. And my child got his third dan, I believe, 5 years ago, 6 years ago. It's okay. We're all different. We start things at different times. We have different backgrounds, different physical, different emotional abilities. And this difference doesn't make us weak. This difference makes us beautiful. Life is not a test. Life is a journey. So everyone should enjoy it and move at their own pace. So when you feel that you're not achieving something fast enough, think about your favorite flower and think how this flower opens slowly. One flower, then the next one, then the next one, then the next one, then the pause, the next one. You'll be blooming on your own time, at your own pace. And this is the beauty of it.